spades is digging graves before they are needed, expecting no one to do the same. While tiny feet kick from within, she'll offer her table before she even knows your name. I'd betray you all in a moment of gameless pride, but hide my hands and keep you close by my side. Of diamonds, always climbing onwards and upwards, pitching away at the falling stars. No seam is rusted, jewel encrusted. Keep clear of water and turn your eyes to the blinding sun. Of clubs, her back is doubled over like paper, on which she'll write you a kind invite. Her face is rarely seen, but oh, it paves the way for all those who follow her day and night. I'd betray you all in a moment of gameless pride, but hide my hands and keep you close by my side. I can't stand the heat of this game any